Is your iPhone's side switch broken or unresponsive? Here's how to mute your iPhone without using the physical button. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. It's right below General. In the Accessibility menu, go to the Touch section under Physical and Motor. Now, tap on AssistiveTouch and toggle it on. You'll see a small floating button appear on your screen. This is your virtual control hub. Tap the floating button, then tap Device. Here you'll see the option to mute. Tap it, and your iPhone will switch to silent mode even without the side button. You can also tap Unmute to turn sound back on, and even control volume up and down directly from the same menu. This works on all modern iPhones running iOS 15 or later, and it's especially helpful if your side switch is broken or stuck. And that's how you mute your iPhone without using the silent switch. Follow for more iPhone tutorials and let me know if you want a guide on automating this with shortcuts.